Hello to all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll go talk about range and arange functions and when we can use them. There are simple examples, so let's start. The range function in Python is used to generate a sequence of numbers. It is commonly used in for loops. The syntax for the range function is as follows. Sometimes the range function has only one argument. It's a stop value, where a stop is ending value of the sequence. Here's an example. Let's see. For I in range 10, print I. Run the code to see what's gonna happen. As you can see, it prints 0, increment by 1 until 10. The starting value in range function default is 0. The ending point is the last value before 10. The range function may have three arguments. A start is the starting value of the sequence. A stop is the ending value of the sequence. And a step is the difference between each number in the sequence. A start default is 0. A step default is 1. Let's see what's going to happen. The start value is 1. Increment by 2. So the output starts with 1 and increment by 2. It prints 1, 4, 7. 7 plus 3 is 10, but 10 is not in the sequence. And notice that the ending point is the last value before the stop value. Here is 10. Also, we can print numbers in reverse order. Here's an example. Let's see what's going to happen. The output starts with 10 and decrement by 1. 10, 9, 8 until 1. We can save memory when using range function. It is because it generates the numbers on the fly instead of storing them all in memory at once. Here the step value is minus 4. The output starts with 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Well, we want to generate non-integer values, so we use arange function. The arange function in Python is a Numpy function that returns an array of evenly spaced values with a given interval, so it returns an array. The syntax of arange function is as follows. The start parameter specifies the starting value, default is 0, and the stop parameter specifies the endpoint. The step parameter specifies the increment between each number in the sequence, default is 1. Here's an example. So we need to import Numpy and rename it as NP. Here we should specify the starting point. The output starts with 0 and increments by 0.1 to each number and continues before 10. As you can see, when we change the stop and step values, the output array will be changed. Let's change the stop and step values again and see what's gonna happen. The same as range function, 3 is not in the interval. And notice that the ending point is the last value before the stop value. Thank you for watching the end. I will be happy to read your comments. Please subscribe.